Hey, looky, guy. Let me get your picture. Oh, yeah. See? Yeah. Yeah, we'll get your little picture. We'll get you out on the internet, buddy. Somebody will pick you up. Yep, sure will. Yep. Need to get home, don't you, huh? And then you have to sit and beg for food. Anything, huh? Yeah. Yeah, that kind of sucks. I have to beg for food, don't it? Yep.